Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming two things. Your adventure rank and the required regional quest are done. Once confirmed, equip a stamina food and a team with a Nemo or Pyro for puzzles. Next, teleport to the nearest waypoint at the mountain base and move immediately toward the cliffside entrance. While climbing, conserve stamina by short rests. Use sprint bursts only when needed. This gets you into position fast, so you can begin the only route that actually reveals the Mountain Shaper encounter. Once at the alcove, look for carved marks and glowing braziers. Those are your triggers. Make sure to use a Nemo to disperse dust clouds and Pyro to ignite braziers in the observed order. That sequence powers the central stone mechanism. While you execute puzzles, clear nearby guardians so they won't interrupt the activation. After the mechanism activates, a short cinematic or sound cue confirms success. Then proceed down the narrow passage that opens. This is the only way into the mountain. You enter combat by keeping mobile and watching for the overhead slam and ground shockwaves. Dodge those first, then close to hit exposed weak points during phase shifts. Once done, use high damage bursts when the Mountain Shaper staggers and avoid standing in front of its armor plating. After the fight, loot immediately and interact with the altar to complete the objective. If the encounter does not spawn, reload your world or confirm the triggering quest step. That fix resolves most non-spawn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.